The rumored autumn 2023 debut of Apple's iPhone 15 series has a booming rumor mill promising a variety of new features. But as reports plus the recent EU judgment requiring USB-C charging on phones sold in Europe would entail a lot of changes from Apple's usual design. Therefore, the questions are, will the iPhone 15 feature a USB-C port? Will Apple raise iPhone pricing in 2023? Will it even be named the iPhone 15? Although no one outside of Apple is sure, these rumors will undoubtedly keep us curious until Apple has its next iPhone event, which is most likely going to be in September. To give you an idea of what the iPhone the 15th of May look like, I'll discuss some of the biggest and most reliable rumors we've heard thus far today. First, a periscope-style telephoto lens will be available for the 15 Pro Max. This kind of telephoto lens enables greater optical zoom levels. According to Cool Predictions, a 6x optical zoom may be available for the 15 Pro Max. On the 14 Pro Max, the optical zoom is just 3x, which is inadequate. Rivals like the 10 optical zoom of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. A well-known league source and Twitter user named Announce21 recently supported this report by claiming that the Pro Max model would have a unique lens. All 15 models will support 15 watts of wireless charging utilizing the Ki to Open standard, according to a recent report by Charger Lab, a reliable power specializing website. If this information proves to be accurate, the iPhone the 15th of May usher in a brand new era of wireless charging technology that can recharge the gadget at its maximum rate. With the maximum 15 watts charge speed for Apple MagSafe licensing accessories, Apple has previously restricted open wireless charging standards to 7.5 watts. The transition from a Lightning port to a USB-C port may finally occur in 2023 thanks to pressure from the European Union, which has been pushing for a common charging standard for years. In 2022, the bloc was successful in passing legislation requiring Apple to equip its iPhones with USB-C ports by 2024 if it wants to sell them in the EU. This is the next change that has been circulating in rumors for years. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.